Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're focusing on an important topic: designing fences for child safety. Whether you have toddlers running around or older kids playing outdoors, having the right fence can make all the difference. Let's get started. First, let's talk about height. For child safety, your fence should be at least 4 to 6 feet tall. This helps prevent kids from climbing over and keeps them within a safe boundary. A good rule of thumb: the taller the better. Next, consider vertical pickets. Horizontal rails can become a ladder for curious little ones, so opt for fences with vertical slats to discourage climbing. It's a simple but crucial design choice for child safety. Another important feature is a smooth top edge. Sharp points or decorative elements may look nice, but they can be dangerous if kids try to climb or lean against the fence. Choose a fence with rounded or capped tops for extra safety. Don't forget about gate security. Install self-latching gates that are out of children's reach, at least 54 inches off the ground. This ensures they can't wander out unsupervised. A self-closing feature is also ideal to ensure the gate shuts behind you. Next, wide gaps. Make sure there are no wide gaps between pickets or under the fence. Kids can squeeze through surprisingly small spaces, so aim for gaps no larger than 4 inches. You want to keep them safe inside, and animals or hazards outside. And finally, choosing materials. Choose materials that are durable and safe. Wood, vinyl, or metal fences with smooth finish are perfect. Avoid materials that can splinter or rust. To recap, for child-safe fencing, prioritize height, vertical slats, smooth edges, secure gates, and no gaps. A safe fence means peace of mind for parents and fun for kids. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.